Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the tools. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and iOS is current so syncing works. Open Notes or your chosen diary app now. Once open, tap New Folder and name it Diary to keep entries separate. Then create a new note and set a clear title with today's date. You're doing this so entries stay organized and searchable. Having a dedicated folder prevents accidental mixing with work or random lists. Now make an entry. Tap New Note and enter a concise title with the date and optionally time to track moments. Use formatting, bold headings, bullets for quick lists, and attach photos or audio recordings to capture context. This improves recall. If privacy matters, enable lock for that note and turn on iCloud Sync so entries appear across devices. Once set, use Siri or shortcuts to start a new entry hands-free. That saves time and keeps your habit consistent. Finish by reviewing and tagging entries to make retrieval simple. Search works best with consistent tags and titles. Backup regularly. Export important notes as PDF or verify iCloud backups are enabled so nothing is lost. If you run into problems, first check Wi-Fi and iCloud status, then sign out and back in or force quit the app. If a note won't sync, make a local copy and try again. That troubleshooting step usually resolves the common sync and saving issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.